House tour, a bright and airy home in Madison, Wisconsin. Michelle and Johnny have a knack for dichotomies, vintage and new, handcrafted and mass-produced, traditional and innovative. The kitchen exemplifies this with black cabinetry purchased at a Midwest hardware store chain and brass pulls found through Schoolhouse Electric. Throughout the home, a birch-like material on the walls adds texture. Johnny explains that the original to-the-home material, called Pecky cypress, is a now endangered wood no longer used in construction. The trees laid on the bottoms of rivers for hundreds of years. When they'd pop up, people would snatch them. The knots are from hitting rocks on the bottom of the river, says Johnny. Kitchen necessities are set against a star-patterned cement backsplash discovered at the cement tile shop. The couple credits the choice to the interior designer they collaborated with, Lauren Pascula of Deluxe Design Studio. It has that vintage, retro feel, but it's also clean and modern, says Michelle. The unique bed, also crafted by Andrew Koslow, is called a slat bed. Flanked by simple touches like straightforward dimmer lights, a potted plant and a small stack of books, the bed and surrounding space exemplifies the couple's commitment to minimalism. We always have an idea of where something is going, says Michelle. Johnny adds, the less you have, the more you appreciate it. Our goal is to always have the union of function and beauty. A standard dining room table takes a snug turn as a breakfast nook, punctuated by sea green chairs from Anthropology, an antique bread bowl and Be Present wall art made by the couple's brother-in-law. In this renovated guest bath, the poured cement countertop and flooring takes center stage. Elongated subway tile, a raised sink and a globe-shaped pendant light from cedar and moss work together to create a current look. Although the copper fireplace hood looks modern, it is actually original to the home. The hearth is the center of Usonian homes. When we moved in, the fireplace hadn't been used for decades, says Johnny. To the left of the fireplace sits a record player cabinet, crafted by Jesse and Chandra of Holm. The duo also completed the remodeling projects throughout the home. Eschewing a traditional shelf, the couple displays beloved objects and houseplants on a ladder made by friend Andrew Koslow, owner of his design studio by Andrew Koslow. Nearby logs serve as decor and stand at the ready for building a fire. In an addition built onto the home in 1952, Michelle and Johnny did the majority of their renovations, setting up couples' quarters complete with a spacious bedroom and well-appointed master bath. Marked by contrast, the bath features white cabinetry offset by black hand-scraped tile and mid-century inspired lighting from Etsy shop 777 Home. Natural elements accentuate the shower, including Kohler copper fixtures, marble tile walls and a cascading succulent. Honeycomb floor tiles wrap in modern detailing. The centerpiece of the living room is the watery wall art, photographed by Johnny in Door County, Wisconsin. It was taken at the same house we always rent on the lake, so it has a lot of meaning and memory, he says. It's an example of a fine art print Johnny sells through their sister brand, Rock Paper Antler. Awash in a sea of black, white and neutrals, the room and board and CB2 couches add plushness and act as perfect perches for taking in outdoor views. At a workstation built for two, the couple, who have been working together for a decade, runs their photography business. Instead of devoting a room to their office, the hallway was put to good use, allowing space for a built-in, poured concrete desk accented by artwork and potted plants. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.